In this video, I'll show you how to start dropshipping on TikTok Shop using CJdropshipping, so whether you're a beginner or just want a smoother workflow. So first, head over to CJdropshipping.com and sign up for a free account. So once you're in, you can take a look around the dashboard to get familiar with the platform. So now let's get over to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. So look for the TikTok Shop and then sign up with your details, personal details. And if you don't have a shop yet, you'll need to register as a seller based on your region and provide the necessary documents based on your country. So in here, we're going to look at two platforms on CJ and TikTok. So now let's get over to the CJ. So let's X this and then click the My CJ, and then after that, look for the authorization and choose the TikTok shop, and then after that, click the Add Store and follow the prompts to log in and authorize access. So assumingly we're done in here, so once done, CJ Dropshipping will be linked into your TikTok shop, and that's when the magic starts. So browse products on CJ Dropshipping that you want to sell. So when you find one, click list and select TikTok shop as the store you want to publish it to, and then edit the product title, price, and images to fit your brand, and then confirm the listing. So whenever someone places an order on your TikTok shop, it'll appear inside CJ Dropshipping's dashboard, and from there, you can fulfill it with just a few clicks. So CJ handles the packaging, shipping, and tracking. So to increase your chances of going viral, create a short, engaging TikTok videos around your product and show the features, packaging, or even unboxing. So this helps build trust and boost sales. And that's how to dropship on TikTok Shop using CJ Dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.